no võime mingi 5 minti oodata, et rahvas peale tuleks.
jah, võime endale sinna tekst ka panna.
tere, mu juustud haisavad.
mul ka, mul läks see kuradi ma vette.
kus kohas?
astusin sinna kuradi ookeanile.
miks sa seda tegid?
tahtsin vett katsuda.
lihtsalt astud mingi potastega vett.
ma tahan vett kaasata.
mis pehal need lained on, come on. ei tahtnud vette astuda. Live on the internet.
sul tuleb kuskilt heli, ei, see tuleb telekast.
aga pane sisse kinni. ja see heli.
siin kuskil see mute'i nupp.
Yeah, boy. Wonder if we add some music. Would the mic pick it up? We can try. Got any suggestions?
Just put some nightcore, not nightcore, lofi relaxation or focusing music, you know.
Hey.
Hello, Katie Nooni.
Yeah, good luck in Fortnite. Sadly, can't help though. Lo-fi, relax, focus, royalty free. I assume that's it. You'd only luck your opponents too. Yeah, the mic does pick it up. Oh well. So, advent of code.
Numero 2.
Ryan, you're gonna try to do your own solution? Or gonna help us?
I can help. I want to write my code myself.
Yeah, okay. Cool. So, day 2, Cube Conundrum. We are launched high into the atmosphere. The apex of our trajectory just barely reaches the surface of a large island floating in the sky. You gently land in a fluffy pile of leaves. It's quite cold, but you don't see much snow. An elf runs over to greet you. The elf explains that you have arrived at Snow Island and apologizes for the lack of snow. He'll be happy to explain the situation, but it's a bit of a walk, so you have some time. They don't get many visitors up here, blah blah blah. Would you like to play a game? As you walk, the elf shows you a small bag and some cubes, which are either red, green, or blue. Each time you play this game, he will hide a secret number of cubes of each color in the bag, and your goal is to figure out information about the number of cubes. Okay, there's a small bag, cubes, different colors. The dude hides cubes. Okay. To get the information, once a bag has been loaded with cubes, the elf will reach into the bag and grab a handful of random cubes, show them to you, and then put them back in the bag. He'll do this a few times per game. Okay. You play several games and record the information from each game, which is our puzzle input. Each game is listed with its ID number, like LL or 11. That's 11. Game 11, followed by a semicolon separate list of subsets of cubes that were revealed from the bag. 3 red, 5 green, 4 blue. Okay, so we have an example. What? Okay, so these are the cube subsets that he shows. In game 1, 3 sets of cubes are revealed from the bag. Set. And then put back again. The first set is 3 blue cubes, blah blah blah. Okay. They all would first like to know which games would have been possible if the bag contained only 12 red cubes, 13 green cubes, and 14 blue cubes. In the example above, 1, 2, 5 would have been possible. Okay, so does he put the cubes back every time?
Yes.
Yes. Okay. So we don't need to sum anything, we just need to know how many games are possible based on these parameters. So we write a function, I don't know, violates rules, take the set, compare. Okay. Okay, so blah 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 would have been possible. So however, game 3 would have been impossible, and game 4 would also have been add up the IDs of the games. Okay, sum of the IDs. Okay. So let's take our example input and write a function. So see. Do we have strings? How to do multi-line? Oh well, let's try it out. It's with 3 codes in Elm, so let's see if that compiles. Aha, so it did work. Ah. So, what's the name of the function? Calculate sum of IDs. Sum of IDs of possible games. Or impossible games. We count the impossible ones.
Possibles. Look at the last sentence.
Ah, okay. Let's take that input. And return, I don't know. So expect. What? think that's like that, or maybe with equals. Where did it get stuck? Oh, I'm using Elm syntax, so everything is defined like Elm lambdas, pretty much. So I assume that succeeded, or maybe I need to write rock test. Yeah, rock test. Yes. Okay. So that's actually 8. We didn't make it 1. Okay, so I guess if we first need to part it, this stuff is like bullshit for our purposes, at the moment at least. It's one of my last year's day 1 task. I think. So we need some sort of a data structure, right?
Mm-hmm.
Mm-hmm. So what do we do, like a record?
I don't know what's that.
Well, record is key value pairs, like to
Good enough.
count, something like that.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, I think you define them like, so that's what is that called, set? Set of cubes. Tutorial types. Okay. I think that doesn't compile because it needs like a qualifier against 64. Yeah. Oh, it's like I64. Yes. So let's try to split it into lines, I guess. Let's see what that does. Debug is just like for debugging. Oh, it's only run for tests because we're calling it in tests. Wait. Nope. What happened there? Not sure how I can log this out if debug doesn't work like this. I can put it here. Let's think we don't need this. We can inline the strings or figure out how that works, or actually store it here. Mm. Uh, Where's the docs? Oh, yep. So num, there are twos. Yes. Okay. So this actually worked. We got the correct lines. Okay, so then what do we do? So a game is ID. Oopsie. And what is the what do we call these? Revelations?
Collection of cubes.
I mean, it's already a collection of cubes. It's like collections.
Individual cubes. Cube colors.
No, still less set of cubes and call it revealed. Okay. So. Okay, so list map, I guess. Str.split by colon. See what that does. Oh, what happened? Ah, okay. There's no partial application in this language. I think that's what it tells me. That's not good. So it's A split A by, yeah, these are reversed because there's no currying. And I don't think we need these. No, we need std out. Oops, deleted too much. Okay. So then I want to drop the first part, turn that into an integer. Tags and pattern matching. So our scenario is basically, can you name this part? Or do you only take elements? I guess it kind of doesn't matter. Um, so, what was it? When parts is? Yes. It's always two parts. So, and we don't care about any other cases. Keep OKs. This is going to be okay. It might not be. So first, stir, drop left 5. Mm, num stir. Okay, and here just gonna do error. I think that's how the something works.
Don't you have a typo?
Where?
FSR and FST.
Yes, I do. Okay, what do I want to do? I want to turn the number into, or turn the string into a number. Is that in the string module then, maybe? Stir, 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 to stir. No, from stir. Mm. Oh, good. No, that's different. Okay. Bytes. So do I need to string to bytes and then bytes to? Why not, I guess? Why does it take 2 arguments though? I don't get this part. Let's try it. Oh, I actually don't need signed integers. Yeah, unsigned, of course. Hmm. Hmm. Okay, there's no. Damn it. Many things are broken. Should have stuck to Elm where I know how to write parsers in. Actually, it might be easier to write the parser.
Fuck. Made a mistake. Ei, no ei tuli lõpuks kokku liitu.
Where's documentation? Is there a parser? That's something different though. So I ain't gonna figure that out. Let's just do string stuff. Okay. String. Okay, so that's the bytes. Damn it. That doesn't work either. String, string, string. Nope, not trim. Another split might work. Replace first. Oh, we can just replace it. So with nothing.
What are you eating, Katie?
Want to see what you're eating. How are we gonna see that? Wait, what did I do? Ah, okay, that function expects 2 arguments. U64. Mm-hmm. Not sure what this nat is as the second argument. I'll just put in a random number in, see what happens. A and 0. Okay, the error wants a label. Let's give it to label I think that's how you tag things. So everything was invalid, out of bounds. Because we got like nothing. What the fuck? What is this nat in bytes to use 64? It's a natural number, but why? Why not just take the bytes?
Are you trying to get the ID?
Yeah.
Why do you want to convert it? If it's like sequential?
No, I have like, well, I have a string that represents a number. I want to turn that into a number.
Yeah, but you split the string already. The input string. Just take the sequential whatever.
What do you mean sequential? So I can like remove this, right? Let's comment these out. Oh, now this changed. So let's comment this out as well. Maybe we should stick to languages we know. Ah, damn it. That needs to be error.
I have no idea what you're doing, man.
Okay, then ask. I barely have any idea what I'm doing either. The AirTag application has this type, blah, blah, blah. Replace first game. The previous answer is string. So what was the problem with it being a string? Oh, right. So I'm writing keep OKs, but I'm not providing yeah. Okay. So I can just just pipe that to, okay, I think so I have these 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 for the games. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5.
Mm-hmm.
And to calculate with this, I need them to be numbers.
Yeah, but you already split the string.
What do you mean I already split the string?
Like here. String split. Then
Okay.
you get like their positions.
What positions?
Like the first line is first position, second line is second position.
Yeah, but that doesn't matter much because I can't do that the same logic with these. So I still need a method to turn strings into integers or some numbers.
Yeah, fair enough.
Let's see. I must have done that at some point, although so let's assume there's number parsing here. String graphemes. It's like characters. String 2. Oh my god, there's a string 2 something function. Man. Yeah. Whoops. So that's gonna be easy. Two unsigned. Let's do 64. Doesn't matter really. Yes. Okay, so is it clear what I'm doing here?
Yeah, kinda.
What do you mean, kinda?
The syntax is funky.
Pretty much the same as Elm, just fewer parentheses.
Elm is funky as well.
That is true. Okay, so we got that done. So we need, let's give it a label. Game ID. Ohio Skibidi Gyat from the plane.
Hello, Danny. How is your flight?
Did you pay for the internet there?
I don't know if he can hear us. Maybe it's only like chat only.
Very fancy anyway. Getting internet on the plane. Game ID. So the other things are set of cubes. Sets of cubes.
Oh, you can hear us. Very nice. Very nice.
So that's this others split by this thing. And let's log that as well. I think we can do tuples. Although the type is going to be funky.
€5 isn't too bad, man.
Yeah, not too bad. Yeah, we really need to figure out the parser library for the next one. This would likely be way easier with a parser. How did you do the, like, getting the data part? What did you use? Regexes?
No, just splitting the string.
Yeah, we're doing the same.
It's quite easy actually on JS.
Yeah, it's easy here as well. Just I don't know the functions. So every function is named funky compared to what I'm used to. So that takes quite a while.
Yeah, but I misunderstood the text. So
All right, so sets of cubes are what? Comma separated values. Let's trim them as well. Whoops, let's trim them there. Oh yeah. List map. I wonder what happened to the LSP because previously it did highlight some stuff.
Hell yeah, Danny.
Mm-hmm.
What kind of a pizza? Don't say pepperoni.
Pineapple.
If you say pepperoni, we will ban you.
I'll make another function, I think. because this is getting YOLO. So list.map, what we have is one of these things. So we want to split that by comma. We did go carding, and I won again.
Yeah,
Oh, he didn't go. Yeah, CloseGrip didn't go.
yeah, too tired for that today.
How did you find out about that?
From the group chat.
Split by comma. And let's log that out as well. So now we need to take a list of these things and turn that into a record of 0 green ones, 3 blue ones. Okay. So how are we going to do that? I'm just going to start with an empty record and loop over that. I guess that works. Or alternatively, we can have a data structure of colors, like color is red or green. Okay, so a lot of string splitting. So this is what? A list of this thing. I'm just going to make a function for that. Count and color. $64 and color. When string split is count color, then it's gonna be a union of her. Okay, I'm not gonna do that for now. So how did you get the count? Stir to use 64. Count. I think it's oh, we can actually do this, I think. Let's say this is green. And that simplifies things a lot. And I don't know, I think it's result, what the type is. Maybe it isn't. Say this. Yeah, result. So result map A and green. So that's not the syntax. For custom types, okay, result in blah blah. So this is incorrect. And the error was valid num string.
Yes. Got it.
We're still on the parsing thing.
Yeah, I had to mess with the parser. It was pretty much fine.
The parser is probably the hardest part. That was part 1 for you, yeah?
Yeah.
Okay. Wait, so why didn't you go carding? Oh yeah, you already said. Blanking out. Error. And the error is gonna be, what's the error here? Invalid combo of color and number. Uh,
You put bunch of J's somewhere.
where?
Go back. On the 16th line.
Where? Oh, whoops. Nice catch. Nothing is named count in the scope. Oh yeah, it isn't. That's the count string. Okay, set of cubes. Good, good, good. I'm getting the hang of what I'm doing. So revealed is gonna be a list of U64 and color. No, it's gonna be a list of lists. Okay, I didn't use that parser yet. So parse content color string split blah blah list map parse. Again, need a variable here. Okay, fuck the type keep okays. Wouldn't that help? I don't know. Nope. I just need the argument here. Well, shit.
Nice. Okay, 1, okay, 2, okay, 3.
Okay, one. These are the game IDs. So, how's that possible? Didn't we have blue, red, green? Count main. Can I do debug input? Oh my god, yeah. Sorry. Rock has argument orders differently from Elm. Cool. So I think we can say keep okays here. Kind of do want errors to see if there's anything else. I can actually do some sort of fold over the list. So like these can fail, right? Like they did before in this ways. And I still want some errors. I want like an error when one of them fails, but they can have an error or okay. So now they're all wrapped in okay. But I want the okay to wrap the whole list instead. Does that make sense?
Mm-hmm.
No? I think that's called walk then. Walk takes a list of elements, a state. Element state. Cool. I think that can be used. Just walk. I forget how it worked. Okay, list elements, state. Walk these strings. Wait. Yeah, okay. Gotcha. So what the rock pipes do, like the Elm ones, put the thing here as the last argument, right?
Mm-hmm.
Yeah, what the rock pipes do is they put this as the first argument. So if this is a list, that's going to be the first argument to the walk function. And the second argument is going to be state, and that's going to be right after the walk. That helps like regular calls without pipelines to look nicer. So list walk, we are going to start with okay, empty string. Then run what? This function, string to is there a result map to? Hmm. No. Try. Oh, that's like an antenna. Well, this takes two arguments, I think. So what's the which argument is the list? State, first argument. Okay, so when state stir is no is okay. State then how do you append to a list or prepend? Doesn't matter. Prepend. Okay. Okay. Okay, let's see if that did anything. No. Debug lines 56. I messed something up. Why is that here? Oh, it's supposed to be here, but I can remove it. No, I don't want to remove it really, but wait, why? List question mark. So there must be something wrong with that. lines. Yeah, okay, so that's why. The second branch is when does not match all the previous branches. Why not? Oh. So this should be wrapped also in OK. Still? Oh, I need a different naming. No. Wait. Why is that the possibility? I guess it is, yeah. Wait, no. Like, if these are fall-throughs, how is this a possibility? Isn't that covered by this one? Yeah, it should be actually covered. I think that's a bug. Well, anyway. Oh. Will we ever finish this parsing part? Seek trap. My lord. What the fuck? Okay, let's just ignore everything and do... How about that? Yeah, I'm not sure what that is. What is that? It's supposed to be here? Tracer breakpoint trap. Why? Yeah, I mean the type is wrong here, but man. Oh, fuck it then. Let's do the dumb way. And accept that it can fail. Why doesn't this work? What the fuck? This is literally what we had, right? Does it complain about anything else? Doesn't use input, unused definition. Okay. What if we remove that? What if I just run it? Maybe I should have just run it. Damn it. Ah. Let's restore my walk. Yeah, I was running the wrong function the whole time. Okay, that's nicer. So lists of that stuff. So game ID and set of cubes. This okay technically it is needed. Both of these are maybes. Not maybes, results. But
Second part is done.
yeah, thanks for all the help.
My pleasure.
Okay, so we put ID is ID. Node is sets of cubes. And that needs to be wrapped in okay. Where did that come from? Oh, this is got it.
Are you doing A or B?
What?
A or B? Is it the first one or the second one?
The first part, you mean? Or the second? Yeah, of course the first part. We are still parsing our shit. Yeah, I should have gone with Elm for the speed here. I have no idea what it wants from me right now. Result. ID sets. What the fuck? So debug. Ah, okay. I get it. Like this isn't the result, it's the things inside it. I'll do just the simple version.
Why are you doing?
What?
Why are you setting the game or not? You can basically count to counting. I get it.
What do you mean?
And first, for example,
I have no idea what you're talking about. And now I forget what I need. Ah, okay. So game ID, result, map, smooth that ID. Can you elaborate?
yeah. For example, in the game one, you have like 3 different pools. Like if you're focusing on the first game, you have to check the first game if it's in the limits. So
Do you understand we're still parsing?
no, but you don't need to. What are you parsing actually?
We're parsing the game numbers or the like color counts.
Okay.
And I'm almost done. So keep OKs, sets of cubes. Slam that. No, that's already okay. No. Okay. What? Keep OKs. Ah, it's okay. This function makes me should map it there. I can do identity, I guess. Yeah. Yip yip yip. So keep OKs. A to A. Okay, finally, we have our games. So, do you have deblock somewhere else? Because why else is it? Yeah, it's here as well. Let's log it out nicely. Okay. So. What did you want? Is valid? Is possible. And those are the rules.
You need to take the game ID first part and put it in the list or structure.
What are you talking about? Look at the structure.
Shouldn't open.
It's at the bottom. Makes sense, right? Why doesn't it make sense?
Because you don't need to hold the game IDs or these sort of things in the structure.
But I need the game IDs to calculate.
Yeah, but you're doing when you go through the lines, you go through it. You only need to hold the game ID in the first loop as a constant or something else. You don't need to put it actually into structure and then after that loop through again.
I need a data structure. That's
You have a final count example, you need to add this game ID.
I mean, technically, if I'm doing everything in like functions, I can do that, but I want a function that takes the game and whether it's possible.
Yeah,
Yeah, and
but you can calculate this in. You don't actually need the structure.
I don't need the structure, but I want to structure the things. Like I could do this without defining functions, just do everything in lambdas. But I want to pass those things along. Well, technically, yeah. I mean, never mind.
You don't need
I do need structure of some sort. Well, I could also, yeah.
in the first part, you don't actually need very complicated structure.
So list of what? List of U64 and color, right? And that returns bill. Is there a walk that quits walking? Walk until. So. Walk until takes state. So we start with true.
No, walk until false.
Yeah, but what am I starting with? What's the point? Kind of don't have a. Oh, I need like list all or list like any.
To give you some.
Run a given predicate to a list returning true if all elements satisfy it. So this would be it. List any where did I put the rule? Just any a. And A is count reds, then count smaller or equal to 12. Okay.
Mm-hmm.
Okay, so we take lines, list map, I think I can better match here. So that's ID and revealed. So if revealed is possible, yeah, then we count it.
Mm-hmm.
ID else 0. So are we in business? No. Yeah.
Just to give an idea what I was thinking of the first task. Like, if you look to go,
Why? Why are you spoiling it for me?
no, I was trying to show you why you don't need actually structures.
I mean, of course I don't need variables and structures. These are just so I can like use those names as labels.
Yeah, but you don't actually need any labels. You just have to count your stuff. Not put them into some object and then redo them all the time again. So
Okay, let me fix these compiler issues and then we're gonna come back to that.
okay.
I'm gonna explain how this works and then you can tell me what we could do differently here.
Okay.
Sound good? Okay, so pipe has an unexpected type. So list map. Why is that unexpected type revealed and needs a second argument to be? Let's check pattern matching. Should be fine. Argument is an anonymous function of type. Okay. But it needs to be this. List of oh, so that's like yeah. There's multiple lists of count and color lists. Is that correct? No. But it does calculate, so that's good. So if you add up the IDs of the games, that would be possible. Is possible. Oh, whoops. So this needs to be list all, because they all need to be possible. It's like if I think list any would be more optimal, but I don't think we care about that, the optimization. So list all everywhere. That should solve our problem. Yes. Let's take our input. That's a big boy. Go in here. Or that's like that's quite input 1.
Nice.
I don't know how to fix the indentation nicely though. So maybe let's actually use this thing that I stored, reading a file. So that's here. R2. Day2 input txt. Cool. Now I'm missing imports. So platform path pf dot file. What? Oh, I'm not using the input. So slam that here. That's a big number. Let's hope it's correct.
Nice. Nice.
Okay, so come tell me how I can or why I should avoid data structures.
I can show you the code.
Does it spoil me the second part?
Not really.
What do you mean not really?
It doesn't actually. It's different logic in the second part. You have to use your first code.
Do you have it in 2 different files or something?
I have it on my computer. What?
No, I mean like, is your second part solution in what you're trying to show me?
No,
Okay, then yeah.
I can share. So basically, what I can actually talk. So basically, what I did, you start to look through the lines what you have, and in the first loop you need to get the game ID and game, actual game.
Mm-hmm.
So then from the games you are going to get sets like game 1, game 2, game 3.
I mean, that's exactly what we're doing too.
Yeah, but my for loop is not returning any data structure or anything. It actually calculates the result altogether. So there is no second time for loops to calculate.
I mean, I can do that easily here as well.
Yeah.
Like you can see that this is already a loop of keeping OKs. I can just do the if blah blah here. I don't really need to create this ID like structure. You're right. It's not necessary.
Yeah. That was my point.
Yeah, you're right.
And how I actually calculated is I took the games played length. So you had 3 games, for example.
Okay.
And then I put another variable is this game okay or not? So if the games that you played equals the same, is it, for example, is the game ok? For example, one game can be ok, the other one cannot be.
Mm-hmm.
If all of the games is equal to the length of the games played, then I can say the game was ok and add them to the final result.
Yeah, but you don't need to do that. You just check if they're all okay. Why do you need to check lengths? Oh, you're filtering.
Yeah.
Okay. Well, that's unnecessary.
Not really.
What do you mean, not really? Like, okay, so what we did, as you can see, is like if all are valid, then return the ID, otherwise return 0 and sum them all up.
Okay. Yeah, I didn't do. I did it in the first like loop, so
Well, I could do the same thing in the first loop as well. I don't still need to compare lengths.
yeah, that's why I compared them.
No, you still don't need to compare lengths. I can remove my data structure without comparing any lengths.
So how can you do it then?
If all sets are possible, then return the ID, otherwise
Yeah.
return 0 and sum them all up.
So basically, put it into function if all games are okay.
No, I only have a function if a game is possible.
Okay. So I basically did the same thing. If the game is okay, then
Why are you comparing list lengths?
what?
But why are you comparing list lengths?
No, I compared the game lengths.
Okay, why are you comparing game lengths?
So you have 3 games, and what I did
So,
is single game okay.
so by game you mean this part here.
No, part of it, like the set. Yeah, the first pull from the bag. So if it's okay,
Yeah,
I add it up to the variable, and if this variable equals to the number of games played, like on the single row, then it's okay.
Why not just loop through the list, basically? Check if okay. Like list map or list reduce in
Yeah.
JavaScript. Just a simple reduce.
Yeah, actually that's pretty good.
You just
So-
reduce to a boolean.
Yeah.
Or there's probably a list all function, something like that in JavaScript too, right? So MDN array. List every, yeah? Yeah, boom. You slam a list every there. Your every takes your game is possible like thing.
Yeah. In the first part, yeah, it is okay.
Okay, so let's see what the second part holds. Wait, what happened?
Second screen to the right tab. The next tab.
Oh,
Or
no, that's the input. So did we not answer this?
just paste it from the clipboard.
Oh, I need to refresh. Part 2. You do the honors.
The elf says they've stopped producing snow because they aren't getting any water. Oh no.
Bit more volume.
He isn't sure why the water stopped. However, he can show you how to get to the water source to check it out for yourself. He's just up ahead.
Where's the 4th member of the band? Raido!
As you continue,
You wanna say hello? He fell asleep and doesn't want to say hello to you.
What is the fewest number of cubes of each color that could have been in the bag to make the game possible? Again, consider the example games from earlier.
You heard correctly, yes. We revealed his name. Danny, the editor, is gone.
Right, or these nuts?
He's moaning there somewhere. Yeah.
Danny is on the airplane. He's coming to Estonia to visit you guys. What is the fewest number of cubes of each color that could have been in the bag to make the game possible? Again, consider the example games from earlier.
Wait.
What the fuck?
Fewest number of cubes of each color.
Danny is not here anymore, Mudam. He went away.
You have to get the
No, fifth point. No.
You have to get the highest number.
The highest, what number?
Highest number of red, highest number of green, highest number of blue.
That's easy. Of each game, so on one line. Yeah.
Yeah.
So that's gonna be 6 blue, 4 red, 2 green. Yeah.
Yep.
For the first one. I think that's gonna be easy. I hope. A dream. If any color had even one fewer cube, the game would have been impossible. What? Oh, okay.
So what was it? 3, 4, and 6?
Mm-hmm.
3 by 4 is 12. 12 by 6 is
72.
72.
12 by 6.
But it's 48 here.
What? The power of a set of cubes is equal to the number of blah 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 multiplied together. No, wait.
Oh, never mind. Yeah, it's not 3 blue.
Yeah.
It's 4 by 2 by 6. So 8 by 6.
Or 4 by 12, which is easier to calculate. So 48. Yeah. Can you do
Can you do a yo-yo trick? No, but I can do this.
Wow.
I don't have a yo-yo stick here.
Yeah, he can't stop flipping things. I just bought the new bottle of Coke and he flipped it. So now I have to wait to open it. The bastard.
Can you touch your nose with your tongue? No. But I can touch Truth's nose with my tongue if you want to.
Easy. So,
So we need to get the highest color of everyone, add them up, or like multiply them and add them all together.
so can you write a function that does that?
Mm. List all and take the max for every color.
Why are you asking us to do things? Well, we're trying to do the high art of thinking. And maybe even drinking. Want a beer?
Yeah, sure.
Enjoy.
Domo arigato. When is
So what do you want to do? Do you have any
can
ideas?
you take like list all and take the max of every color somehow? I don't know what the syntax is.
Well, the data structure we have is like this, right? So a list of lists.
Mhm.
Yeah, a list of lists for a game. This like is one game. So I think what we need to do is turn it into a flat list of, and then like just a flat list of red, blue, like red, blue, blue, green, red, green, and then keep, and then loop over again and keep only the one that's a maximum, maybe. Or alternatively, do the data structure thing. I think the data structure thing is easier. So turn that into what we had initially, the red, green, blue record.
Mhm.
And then that already has the max is if you turn your hat sideways, you will think more clever and also look so cool. You were right. I look mega cool now.
What the hell is this emoji?
I don't know. All right. So R2. Not very creative a name. List you. Let's already take in a list of all of them. U 64 color 2 minutes. And then we need to sum those together, right? No, multiply them.
Multiply, yeah. And then
For all the games?
Sum all the games.
No IDs this time?
Nope. Just pure computation.
Okay. So, where is it here? The line is...
Bye bye, Katie. Have fun. Don't rage.
Fortnite. So, list dot walk. Oh. Oh. Yes, that's quite a bit. Initially, we have red, 0, green. That is the function a. Let's also see how the records work. The structure from other records. Okay, so original and blah blah. So if state.read is larger, no, smaller than count, then state and read equals count, else state. Make sense?
Mm-hmm.
Green, greed. State.blue. No. It's pretty hard to type sideways. Oh, and this language uses colons instead of equal signs. Boom, else state. And there's no other colors, so this should work. All we need to do is flatten the list. What's the flatten function called? Concats? Nope. Join map? Maybe it's just join. Man.
There was join.
Yeah, but wasn't that wrong? I just said join at some point, but oh, it is join. Oh, right, we were looking at join map. Hey, Didrik. Dadrek. So, I think we can just comment that out for now. No, it happened. Comment. So that's dot dot revealed list join, and then pipe that to our function calc_part2. Oh no, it's no, wait. This is list.map. There's multiple games, so it's list.map list join, list.map calc_part2, and list.map a dot red times a dot green and a dot blue, and sum them all up.
Mm-hmm.
Let's go. First try. Easy. And it's gonna be the right answer. I can feel it in my bones.
Nice.
Yeah. First try. No
Good job.
compilers.
Good job, man. Good job.
Mm-hmm.
You are the best rock programmer out there.
Far from it. I'm not sure what's wrong with my language server here. Would be nice to have some syntax highlighting. But yeah. So how was it for you compared to Elm?
It was simpler, since Rock is completely new. It's like having a related language that has a lot of false friends. So you think it does the same thing, but it's completely the opposite. So
Yeah.
kind of difficult.
But all right, that's the end of the stream. See y'all tomorrow if you want to join.
Yeah. Bye bye Mudam. Bye bye Katie. Bye bye Tadrek. Bye bye Danny.
Bye bye.